I understand that you said our turnover rate will continue to rise over the next year. I feel as a leader of this hospital, we need to practice servant leadership and transformational leadership in order to retain and recruit employees. Servant leadership empowers nursing leaders to promote growth, service, and morale of the team. Through servant leadership, myself and clinical leaders in our unit will practice the 6 characteristics of a servant leader: empowering and developing others, humility, authenticity, interpersonal acceptance, providing direction, and stewardship. These characteristics have been proven to build relationships, trust, respect, and loyalty to companies. Servant leaders encourage their employees to function at their highest potential and promotes leaders to stand out in their area of specialty. Transformational leaders work together with their employees to promote what is best for the unit. Transformational leadership will be very important as we recruit new nurses into our hospital. New nurses have the power of bringing a fresh set of eyes to new and old policies, and often provide feedback of where things can be changed. We need to work on increasing job satisfaction within the hospital as a way to retain the employees we currently have. Research also shows that recruitment is not the answer, but rather retention of current engaged employees is how hospitals can decrease their nursing shortage long term. Employees that are satisfied and engaged are more likely to stay with a company for many years. It usually costs 1 year's nursing salary to train a new graduate from beginning to end. These costs can add up with high turnover rates. Focusing more attention to retention will help keep seasoned staff here and decrease the cost that incurs with training a new employee. We as nurse leaders should support and encourage shared governance so that nursing staff has a voice. We can also increase respect for leadership and the hospital by employee recognition, whether verbal praise or through staff meetings or just a simple note that says thank you. Nurses should be recognized and acknowledged for their achievements, hard work, and dedication to the hospital values. Improving communications on the unit level by holding daily huddles, encouraging unit participation in councils, town hall open forums, and weekly emails. These things will keep staff informed and give them opportunities to voice opinions and concerns. We also should take a step back and interview our current staff to see what is working well within the team, where we can improve, and any suggestions they have for employee satisfaction. Employees like to feel like they are a part of the team and involved in decision making are more likely to stay loyal to a company. Holistically supporting all of our staff members, from the new graduate to the seasoned nurse, is very important in making the team run cohesively. Creating a new graduate orientation program will also help increase recruitment of new nurses. These types of programs prepare new nurses for the shock of transitioning from a student nurse to a primary nurse. The goal of the program like this is to reduce turnover rates of the new graduates, enhance job satisfaction and autonomy, increase critical thinking skills, improve support of new graduates, and protect patient safety while the nurses obtain the additional competencies needed to function as a staff nurse. New nurses looking for a hospital that promotes success and prepares them for the complex world of healthcare today will be more encouraged to apply. Self-scheduling, on-site daycare centers, less weekend commitments, and incentives for overtime and extra shifts are ways that some hospitals are keeping their nursing staff happy. Recruitment of new nurses will come naturally if the happiness and word of mouth about what an excellent place to work this is gets out to others. New nurses seeking employment will see how happy our current employees are and hopefully want to join our team. When joining skills fairs and job fairs at local college levels, it is also encouraged to bring the satisfied employees to the job fairs so that the new graduates or soon to be new graduates will see what a great place it is to work and how happy the current employees are.